Good morning, my name is Mandy Shaw and I'm going to teach you how to make a 4-hole pearl button bracelet. First of all, you need some pearl buttons. Now you need to collect these from car boot sales, charity shops, old clothings, grannies, button tins, anywhere you can think to find a button. It might take a while to find some really nice buttons, but when you get the bug, it's really addictive, and I've got a really gorgeous collection. That loop there will actually go through one of your buttons. If you make your loop too big, the button will be baggy. If you make your loop too small, you can't fasten your bracelet, so be careful to get it the right size. Now, I went to put this bracelet on earlier on, and I realised that Harvey, my 13-year-old son, had made me one yesterday. And he'd made it slightly different with the plastic buttons and left a gap in between, but it's still really lovely.